I love how I look tan. Like,
Donald Trump.
Look at you.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I have a very special guest. As you guys can see, this is one of my truest and dearest best friends, Emily, and she volunteered as tribute. Just kidding. She volunteered to be on my channel because I don't know if you guys follow me on Snapchat. I posted that I wanted to do people's makeup on my channel, and I didn't do her makeup. She didn't do my makeup. We did our own makeup. As you guys can tell by the title, we swapped each other's makeup bags. We look ridiculous right now, but it's for fun. So this video, you don't have to take, don't take tips from this video, but I thought I would just switch up my content a little bit and bring some fun and new people on my channel. And we take it very serious when it comes to sanitizing products. So as far as like mascaras and all of that, we used our own. You'll see in the video how we did that and all of that.
Using each other's makeup, you definitely want to make sure you sanitize things.
Of course, because let me tell you, we've experienced us working at Sephora. She still works at Sephora, but I don't anymore. But my time there,
the things that you see,
I'll take it to the grave with me because it was ridiculous. So if you guys are new, definitely go ahead and subscribe, and we're just gonna get right into the video. All right, your makeup bag is huge compared to mine.
I have a lot of stuff.
Jeez, like, this thing is like a suitcase
compared to
my little mini
Amber's.
But with my makeup bag though, I don't know, I pick out of my vanity daily. So I think today's look, we're going to do somewhat of everyday makeup, but not too glam, not too boring. We are using each other's makeup.
Yes.
So I think we're both going to start with face makeup, or as far as like our
complexion.
Face. I must say one thing that I miss is working at Sephora and getting like makeup
bags of gratis.
Yes, that's one thing I do miss, but I have tons of it, like bins in my closet that I have.
She does. So what is your skin type? Normally
it's like oily normal, but lately I've been a little dry, but my skin's dehydrated, so it's pulling out excess oils and looks oily, but it's really dry.
Same. I'm usually like oily, but because of the winter, I don't know what's going on, but I'm like normal to dry right now.
So we're pretty much on the same boat. So I think as far as complexion, we should be pretty good. As a reminder, all the products will be in the description box below. We're not going to show every single product, so if you get a little lost, everything will be in the order that we do it, and I will make that right for you guys. And excuse my nails. God. I don't even want to talk about it.
A little mishap last night.
Dyeing the hair going wrong. So do you start with the hourglass first?
Yeah, do that all over. And you just use the Smashbox all over?
Yes. Right. I never used to like it until I wanted to switch up like products in my makeup bag and stuff like that, and I actually started loving it.
From what I remember, I don't like it, but we'll see.
Feel of it though sometimes.
Yeah, that's what I feel like I don't like. Because like with oily skin, I feel like things would just like rub off because it feels like silicone. I
don't have like a decent
finger.
So next we're going to be going in with complexion. We picked our favorite foundations currently at the moment. So what's nice though is I've never tried the foundation that she's used, and
I just started trying this.
So she's getting used to it. So we're just going to go in with that. How many pumps do you use?
I use like 2 or 3. I usually layer just because I like really full coverage.
And both of us, I mean, I use, you guys know Real Techniques, so we're just both going to use that. Emily. Oops. Emily.
Sorry. Oh my gosh. So, okay, Amber and I are 6 shades apart from each other. I'm typically the lightest, and she's usually like medium.
I'm tan, but I haven't been tanning or anything.
And
but
I'm
just, oh my god,
always light.
Well, Donald Trump. Emily, you're not this light.
Now do you feel my struggle of like how white I am? Like,
first off, white concealer.
So because I'm like really light, I can't really find like a brightening concealer, so I use that right in the inner corner to really brighten the eyes, and I just go in with that other concealer like on the outer part.
I didn't see that one.
So I'm real high maintenance. I usually use 2 of everything.
Okay. Well, as you
and I'm committing, like I brought it all the way down to my neck.
I tried. Emily still works at Sephora. That's how we became very close.
Yeah.
And that's the only thing I miss about Sephora. I just miss the environment, because I would always see them, like Kiki and Beth and you.
All of our friends, which that's one reason that I'm like grateful for Sephora, because I really met some of my like lifelong best friends there.
All right, so I think we're gonna switch it up a little bit. I'm gonna go into bronzer and she's gonna go into
brows. Yep.
So, because I can't. I just can't. Emily and I, we met 2015, and then I think our first big like hangout friendship, well, not hangout friendship, but like hangout girls trip was to IMAT's New York City in 2016.
Yeah, but that was like the first time that we hung out, and it was all weekend, just us two
like
together.
Never hung out before, and we're like, we're gonna go to IMAT's. Didn't it rain? It was like such a long weird day.
Yeah, it was, the whole weekend was long and weird, because we first drove to Jersey and stayed at her mom's house Friday night, and then Saturday we went into the city, which is where IMAT's was, and then we were there all day. But
then it like rained, and I had like a meltdown with my makeup, and it was early in the morning. I think we got up at 6.
Yeah, we got up really early.
Extra, and I was like, oh my god. Oh god. Why does it? No.
Girl, I swear it did not look like that on me. Maybe it's just because
it's my hair.
Maybe it's just because it's so white that it like.
Hair's so dark because I just dyed it this morning. I don't know, my experience with IMAT's,
I mean,
it wasn't bad.
Like, if you don't have a lot of like makeup
and splurge,
and you're looking to get like a bunch of stuff for like lower price, then I think it's fine. But I think like we just have such a huge collection anyways, like I don't think it's worth it to go, you know?
Like we had to like ask each other, like we were like, what do we need? And I think I bought glitter and...
Yeah, I mean, I got a ton of glitter there, and I always get comments on it.
I think if you're a freelancer, if makeup is like your job to work on other people, oh my god, go. I think if you've never been, definitely go and experiment.
Yeah, but I think I've gone twice now, but now I'm just like, I don't feel the need to go because I don't need anything.
Girl, swiping her card, okay? Swipe. But I think like if you really want to go to New York City, you have to go not on like a serious hot day, but like springtime or fall, where it's like comfortable to walk around. But like when we went, I think it was cold.
When was BeautyCon?
October. So we went to BeautyCon.
That was really nice because we were still out walking around with like a light jacket.
Well, that was like a meltdown day. Remember that?
That was a meltdown weekend.
We'll not get into that.
But other than that part, I think it was great. See, I don't know what to do with my brows because I have red hair, but like my natural hair color is brown. But I feel like I haven't found like an auburn red enough like eyebrow product.
If you guys know any, comment below because we'll be lurking on the comments.
I mean, yeah, I just feel like they're just not like red enough, so I just do whatever with them.
She wasn't this color. How would you go back to red? Because the Emily I met had red hair.
Yes. I long beautiful red hair.
Red hair.
And then I decided to cut it. Yeah. But then I was red, and then I went blonde, like platinum blonde, long hair.
Why don't I remember that?
You don't remember that?
No. So what is your favorite like must-have makeup product that you use in your makeup bag? Like if you could, okay, let's say 2. If you had to pick 2 things in your whole makeup bag that you would have to take with you, what would it be?
Probably, I hate this question so much. Can it be like 2 products in each category?
Oh, that's your whole makeup bag. Makeup bag, not vanity.
Probably brows,
okay.
and mascara.
Lash curler, if I had to be like natural, or like lashes and lash glue. But like a nice pair of like wispy lashes. Tough. Oh my god, I didn't even think about it.
So you really need to like know what situation you're walking into. I mean, you could meet your husband, you know?
I already met mine. We need to find her.
I'm still waiting.
If you guys follow me on Snapchat, you know that I posted asking like who wants to be on my channel so I can do your makeup and stuff like that. And literally all of my friends, like Emily, Kiki, Beth, I think a couple other people were like, hello, like me. And I was like, okay. I was like, I didn't expect that because it's hard to put people on camera because it's very intimidating. But Emily, you're doing very good.
Thank you.
Yep. So I was like, let me just do a little mini series. It might not even be called like a series, but
I think like we're all used to just like talking to each other about like the products that we're using anyways.
We're makeup junkies.
Yeah.
Like,
so we do this like just by ourselves, like together.
Yeah. So it's not that difficult to have like all this lighting and like a camera.
Yeah. Maybe it's just because like I've been around you and like I see you do it, so I'm just like it's normal, you know, like talking about it or whatever.
And we
like
share
the whole process.
the same passion.
Okay. Amber's being a slowpoke, so I'm gonna move on.
I love most about our friendship and like you as a person, and I'm very picky when it comes to friends. Not that I'm like I have a standard. Well,
You just have a small circle.
Oh my god, very small. And I feel like throughout the years and throughout the past year especially, I've really opened my eyes to who's there for me, who's my true friend, and who will be my ride or die. I never ask for like support or anything from my friends, but of course, like,
I mean, like, it's not something, if you're like best friends with somebody, it's not something that you should ask for. Like, it should be expected.
come naturally. Yeah. If I needed her for something, like, she'll be there if she can be, you know, if she's busy or something. Always have each other's backs. We never let one another down.
Mm-hmm.
And I think with a good friendship, you know, you don't have to see each other all the time. We don't have to talk all the time. That's how I feel like it used to be, like, especially when I was in high school. You know, if we didn't talk to a friend, you would feel like you're not friends anymore.
But that's also different because in high school you were with each other every single day. So if like you didn't talk to somebody for a few days, I feel like it felt like something happened.
Yeah. And like there's tension, but
like in the real world, I'll go like a week or two without seeing. Like sometimes I'll go a month seeing one of my best friends.
When's the last time I saw you? A couple months. Like,
no, it's your graduation.
Oh.
Yeah, I feel like in the camera it looks more orange, but in like person it's like a berry color. But yeah, that was one of my New Year's resolutions, just to travel, like get out of Pennsylvania.
Oh my god. I mean, let me stop. Traveling to Mississippi is like not traveling, but like getting out, there's so much more to the world than where we live, because where we live it's not special.
Yeah, it's like the same old every day.
But what's crazy is like I've been to LA how many times? 3 times. And I've never really explored it.
I mean, you've gone there for like specific reasons. Like you've either been invited or like gone for an event or something.
But like I want to explore it more. So that's a goal of mine. I think this year it'll happen maybe. I look like I got punched in the eye.
What are you trying to do?
I don't know. I'm going with my crusty fingernails. That is a look. Oh no.
It's so weird.
All right. Just want to bring something up. In person, like, of course, our foundations don't match. Shadow does not really.
It doesn't. Like, close your eyes. It looks like
patchy.
Very patchy. Here, it's like real smooth.
I hate to go on. I'm not a fan of the eye makeup right now. I kind of just dipped into this palette, not really thinking. But that's like kind of the point of this whole thing. Like, I didn't know what palette she brought. Don't take advice off of this video. It's just a fun video. We're gonna go
I honestly think it's because your foundation is so light. Like, it just doesn't pull anything together.
Because I'm used to warmth. I love being tan. And if I'm pale, it's just like...
She does not...
I don't function.
No. My struggle.
But you make it look good.
Yeah, it's... Like, if you look at me, like...
So, quick disclaimer for our mascaras. I gave her that because I have extras, and that is the mascara that I've currently been using. It's the Maybelline Total Temptation. The one that she usually uses is her Roller Lash from Benefit, but I have my own mini one. So, for sanitary purposes... I'm going to use my own, but the same exact product.
Thing, yeah.
Do not share mascaras with anyone. And if you go into a makeup store, yes, the testers are there for you to
Here's
use.
the thing. Don't even try the tester. I'm just going to
buy
say
it
that.
and don't like it, return it.
Exactly.
Because, oh, God. Like, I see people... we see people, like, take a lip tester and put it right on their lips without asking us, without an applicator or without asking us to sanitize it.
Like, I don't think how people don't even think. Like, you're not the only one shopping in the store, you know?
Yeah,
like
hundreds of people that go in and out of the
that
store
have touched it.
I hate those Sephora lashes.
If you try these new ones?
No, but I think
old ones, yes. But try these new ones.
Okay. We're going to try this. I gave her the Violet Voss. So it is almost midnight. I feel like I don't like looking at myself in the...
This burns.
Yeah, it's a slight plumper.
I love how I look tan. Like,
Donald Trump.
Look at you. I made out better on this. But it's good because it's your channel, so I need to look better, you know? Just for the one video.
Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. We hope you truly enjoyed it and got some laughter out of it, because I thought it was fun. I had fun. I don't know about you. What was your favorite part or product that you used? Or
product wise that I didn't think that I would like is the Anastasia Glow Kit. I tried really hard not to use this because it was really hyped up, like when they first came out. But using it now, I actually really like it. I feel like it's a really nice, like, subtle highlight, but you can definitely intensify it with like a setting spray underneath the brush or something.
I want to say the foundation. What's throwing me off though is like the color.
The color. You can't really get like an accurate like
no,
of how
not
it's
at
gonna
all.
look.
So I feel like a product that I really did like though. That's what I like. The bronzer.
I feel like people overlook that. Like when people think of Becca, they think of like highlight, but they don't think of like a bronzer to try from her.
Yeah. So she had the Bronzed Bondi, which is this. So thank you guys so much for watching, and we hope you guys enjoyed, and we will. Well,
maybe see you in the future.
Yeah, I will see you guys probably in 2 more days. But yeah, that was weird. And I'm gonna keep in all these edits
at the end.
Yeah, no cuts, no cuts. But yeah, bye guys. See ya.